Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting journey. Today, we're going on a trip to Nerja, a hidden gem on the southern coast of Spain. It's a super cool town on the coast of Spain, known for its stunning views and vibrant culture. Nerja has something for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker or just looking to relax. Imagine bright blue water, tall cliffs, and secret beaches. The beaches are amazing. You can swim, sunbathe, or explore hidden coves. But Nerja is more than just beaches. It's a place where history comes alive. It's full of history and cool things to see, like ancient ruins and historical landmarks that tell stories of the past. You'll find pretty streets and white buildings that give the town a unique charm. The people there are super friendly and always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. They love to share their traditions, especially during local festivals that are full of music, dance, and joy. Get ready to see how people live in Spain. From daily routines to special celebrations, it's a vibrant lifestyle. We'll check out awesome hotels, yummy restaurants, and fun things to do. Whether you're staying in a luxury hotel or dining at a local eatery, there's something for everyone. Ready for an adventure? Let's go explore Nerja together and make some unforgettable memories. Finding a good place to stay is important. It can make or break your vacation experience. Whether you're here for a short getaway or a long holiday, the right accommodation sets the tone for your trip. You want to be comfy on your trip. A cozy room with plush bedding can make all the difference after a long day of exploring. Nerja has lots of choices. From luxury hotels to budget-friendly guest houses, there's something for everyone. Want a fancy hotel? Check out the Hotel Balcón de Europa. It's one of the most prestigious places to stay in Nerja. It has amazing views of the sea. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and a stunning sunrise over the water. You can eat breakfast on your own balcony. Enjoy a peaceful morning with a beautiful view. Maybe you want a smaller, cozier hotel? The Hotel Carabao is perfect. It's charming and has a very welcoming atmosphere. It's in a quiet part of town, perfect for those who want to relax and unwind away from the hustle and bustle. It has a cute courtyard and a rooftop terrace. Great for enjoying a quiet evening or a morning coffee. Don't have a lot of money? No worries. Nerja has plenty of options that won't break the bank. Nerja has lots of guest houses and apartments that don't cost too much. These places offer great value for money. Many have great views of the sea. So, even on a budget, you can still enjoy the beautiful scenery that Nerja has to offer. Get ready for some tasty food. Nerja is a great place to eat. You have to try the fresh seafood. Imagine yummy grilled sardines with lemon, or a plate of hot prawns right off the grill. Paella is another Spanish food you can't miss. It's a rice dish with lots of flavors. Try the seafood paella or the mixed paella with chicken and chorizo. Want a smaller snack? Try Nerja's tapas. These small plates are perfect for sharing. Order a bunch and try a little of everything. Section 4. Sun, Sand and Fun. Nerja's Best Beaches. Nerja's beaches are the best. Burriana Beach is super popular. It has soft sand and clear water. Rent a beach chair and relax in the sun. Or try fun water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding. Want a quieter beach? Go to Maro Beach. It's a secret beach with cliffs and plants. It's great for snorkeling and diving. Want an adventure? Take a kayak from Burriana Beach to Maro Beach. You'll see secret coves and cool rocks. Section 5. More than just beaches, Nerja Caves and hidden treasures. Nestled in the heart of the Costa del Sol, Nerja is a gem waiting to be discovered. While its beaches are famous, there's so much more to explore. Nerja has more than just beaches. Beyond the sun and sand lies a world of history and natural beauty. Go back in time at the Nerja Caves. These caves are a journey into the past, offering a glimpse into ancient times. These old caves have amazing stalactites and stalagmites. Formed over thousands of years, they're a testament to nature's artistry. They're so big and beautiful. Each formation tells a story of time and transformation. The caves also have paintings from a long, long time ago. These ancient artworks provide a window into the lives of our ancestors. They show us what Nerja was like in the past. Through these paintings, we can imagine the daily life and rituals of early humans. After the caves, walk through Nerja's old town. The charm of the old town is irresistible, with its narrow streets and historic buildings. Explore the small streets and white houses. Each corner reveals a new story, a new discovery. Look for souvenirs in the shops. From handmade crafts to local delicacies, there's something for everyone. And don't forget to get a drink at a Spanish cafe. Relax and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this beautiful town. Nerja is a really special place in Spain. It's perfect for relaxing and having fun. So pack your bags and get ready for the magic of Nerja.